from 3 hours far from here, from our local mines. I don't know if you know, but our most big industry in Peru is mining. So we have lots of silver, copper, and of course gold as well. Now I want you feel it, touch it, and pass it around so everybody can feel and touch this, okay?
Wow.
This is the silver. Probably
100%.
already seen this in bars, but that's how we get naturally, you know?
Wow.
This is a shade. Comes with other minerals, impurities we take out and we have that. 1,000, 100% silver. Now, when silver is like that, it's too difficult to work. I mean, it's too soft. So we cannot make earrings, pendants with that. What we have to do, we have to mix it with this.
Bronze?
Copper.
A copper?
Copper. Alright? The most famous quality of silver that you will find in your country or in another countries is silver 925.
Yes.
Sterling silver, right?
Correct.
Sterling silver is good, but silver we sell here is better. Why? When you buy jewelry, you always see a number in the back of silver. You know why is the number?
Quality?
Yeah, the number is the quality. So when we see 925, that means 925% silver and 7.5% copper, right? So our silver is 950. So that means 95% silver and just 5% copper. Our silver is better because we use less copper. All right, very important. The silver we offer to you here is the one that doesn't tarnish, doesn't leave you much of your body, all of these itches. Why? Because our silver has only 5%. And a very important thing about our silver is that we only use copper to do to alloy, to mix. You know, most of countries use nickel. That's why you have bad reactions on your skin of allergies, itches, marks, right? Because it has nickel. Why people use nickel? Because it's cheaper. It's probably 6-7 times cheaper than what costs copper. In Peru we use copper. Why? Peru is the #1 in the world that exports copper. So we have lots of copper and for us it's cheaper. Right? Silver 925 it's mostly produced in machines. Right? Silver 950 is handmade because it's softer. Right? This is all of these pieces are very unique because we make one by one, piece by piece. After we mix copper and silver, we get different sizes of plates and wires in the laminating process. Plate will be the base, and then wires we just will make the design or symbol. The name of this symbol we call the symbol of Pachamama, Mother Earth, right? What represents this? The beginning of life that never ends, right? And it represents fertility, this symbol. Then we start doing the decorations. For that we use real stones and real seashells. This green is Peruvian, turquoise is turquoise from Peru, green. Lapis lazuli is a rock that exists only in 2 places in the world, Afghanistan and Chile. Chile is in South America. This is from where we get this, okay? We have the serpentino serpentine, the rock from Machu Picchu, the green one. This is a stone that is good for energies because it has quartz and pyrite. And it's the coldest one. You want to feel it? Is it heavy?
Cool.
It's a real stone, you know. Crystals quartz from Brazil. This is from Brazil. Fool's gold or pyrite from Peru. And seashells. Abalone seashell. This is from Mexico. It's a Mexican seashell.
So
Mother of pearl from Peru. This comes in 2 colors, yellow and white. And we have a spondylus. A spondylus, a seashell that back in the Incas and pre-Inca time was considered more precious than silver, even than gold. Right? Why is that? Because gold and silver we have everywhere around these mountains here. But this only comes from the sea. Right? So Incas has to walk for days just to get, because we know they don't have cars, no horses, not even horses to walk. So they just walk to get this. And in the only place in the world that exists this in Ecuador. Doesn't exist in another place in the world. And it's very important as well, was in the pre-Inca time. Why? Because when the Koreans from Ecuador bring this to Peru, the pre-Incas considered there was a message of the gods to tell them the weather is changing. So they can keep food, you know. Because what happens in Niño, we have lots of these entumbes in Peru. And comes in 3 colors. It's red, orange, and purple. It starts red, then it's orange, and then purple. The biggest one that you can see in purple is this size.
Mm.
You see how hard for the Inca to bring it from Ecuador to here, so it must be very, very important and special. And it's because it represents water, right? Represents water. It's because to the older lakes, the Incas, they call cochas. So the ocean they call Mama Cocha. That represents this. Only for the important nobility, I mean, and also for the gods. Only for them are. If the archaeologists are digging and they found a tomb with this, that means it was important, very important, right? All of these stones and seashells comes to this machine where my friend Sako has to polish and molding and shaping the stones till he gets the right and perfect size to here. All by hand, of course, piece by piece, one by one. He has to hold all of these stones and polish them and measure a couple of times till he gets the size exactly to fit here, right? Now, then looks like this and this. Rainer, pásame la samba de ahí del lado esto. Look, these two looks very similar. One of these two is not real. Very similar, right?
Probably this one is not real.
Look, 950,
Oh.
950.
Oh, okay.
Now, if I put this close to the other, we know that one is different color. So which one do you think it's real?
This one or this one? This one, I guess.
This one is real. This is the real
This one, right?
Oh.
Yeah, this is the one that is real white, because the color of silver is it's white,
Okay.
and we just add 5% of copper, so that's not supposed to change from this color to this other one, right? The real is white, nice and shiny. The characteristic of a silver 950 is always white, never change the color.
Always white.
Yeah, and look this, very nice. People in the market sell you this because they know that you are just there for 2-3 hours. You know, in the street, they say, my friend, read the stamp, the work. These are not even stones, it's plastic. This is alpaca. What's alpaca? A metal, the name of metal, alpaca. Copper, zinc, nickel, nothing of silver, not even 1%. The real is this. Real stones, seashells, compare. Fake, alpaca, silver. See, the 950 silver is the one that never tarnishes, never oxidizes. If you have a chain, you can take shower, you can go to swimming pool, no problem, always white, never oxidized. All right? If you want something, of course, we are going to give you good prices. Ask for your discounts. Here, anywhere, you have to ask for discounts because that's how it works in Peru, you know, you have to ask for always for that discount. Inside, we have bathrooms, toilets, anytime you want to come, you can choose it. All right? Thank you for your time. Please look around. If you
Thank
want
you.
something, we give good prices.